Hello everyone, and this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work as we had to replace the water pump and also replace the boiler safety valve. We also had to seal the leaks coming from the boilers, the steam boiler and the brew boiler. We replaced all the O-rings of them as well, and we also had to replace one of the water level sensors. The water level sensor that is located right here was definitely leaking a lot of steam, and it was not leaking from the gasket outside, it was leaking from the inside gasket. We tried replacing the gasket itself, but we just couldn't get that thing to seal, so we had to replace it. For the other three level sensors, we did replace the gaskets on them as well, and we made sure that the machine was not leaking or doing anything. And right now, as you can see, the steamer and the steam temperature inside the boiler is up to pressure. You can see steam coming out from the one itself. We also clean the one with a milk cleaner to make sure that it's working the way it's supposed to. And now let's test it with one espresso shot. We're grinding on the 17th setting of this machine, and we are using our test coffee. Now we might not get a little bit of, we might not get crema, might not get we might see coffee very dripping or drip coffee, depending how fresh your coffee is. But like I say, we're using our test coffee, so hopefully we get a good shot of espresso. There you go. I'm gonna hit the double. There you go. It's gonna do pre-infusion for around 8 seconds. Then the water pump will start pushing water through the entire system, through the three-way valve, and then going out. And as you can see, it's pouring a little bit fast. We're still gonna get a little bit of crema, but like I was saying, probably our coffee is a little bit old, so it needs to be grinded a little bit more finer. Maybe like around 14 setting of the grinder. We're right now on the 17, and even though we had a very fast deliver, we still got a little bit of crema on that espresso shot. Really looking good, looking nice. Coke as well, looks nice as well. And we're gonna also test the flow coming out from the group head. Like I say, 8 seconds approximately to do pre-infusion, where water will slowly go into the portafilter, and then the water pump will start pushing water to do the extraction process, and you will see the water coming out from the group head just like that. As you can see, no buzzing noises nor anything, no leaks inside. We already checked it many times as well. Had this machine pressurized for like around 1 hour or 2 hours approximately to get to make sure that it was not leaking or doing anything. And as you can see, delivering water the way it's supposed to. Hot water definitely working as well. Nice steady stream and great delivery, and we still have pressure coming out from the steamer one. So there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for depending on Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.